Subscribe to my channel Coco TV 3R and hit the bell icon for the latest notification. A is for angel. A is for apple.
Apple and angel.
B is for bear. B is for ball. Ball.
Bear and ball.
C is for car. C is for cat. Cat.
Car and cat.
D is for donut. D is for dog. Dog.
Donut and dog.
E is for egg. E is for eagle. Eagle.
Egg and eagle. Eagle.
F is for frog. F is for fish. Fish.
Frog and fish.
G is for giraffe. G is for grapes. Grapes.
Giraffe and grapes.
H is for horse. H is for hen. Hen.
Horse or hen.
I is for ink. I is for ice cream. Ice cream.
Ink and ice cream.
J is for juice. J is for jackfruit. Jackfruit.
Juice and jackfruit.
K is for kite. K is for keyboard. Keyboard.
Kite and keyboard.
L is for lion. L is for lock. Lock.
Lion and lock.
M is for mat. M is for mango. Mango.
Mat and mango.
N is for nest. N is for nose. Nose.
Nest and nose.
O is for orange. O is for onion. Onion.
Orange and onion.
P is for parrot. P is for pen. Pen.
Parrot and pen.
Q is for quail. Q is for queen. Queen.
Quail and queen.
R is for rabbit. R is for rat. Rat.
Rabbit and rat.
S is for soap. S is for sun. Sun.
Soap and sun.
T is for tiger. T is for tomato. Tomato.
Tiger and tomato.
U is for umbrella. U is for urn. Urn.
Umbrella and urn.
V is for violin. V is for vulture. Vulture.
Violin and vulture.
W is for watermelon. W is for watch. Watch.
Watermelon and watch.
X is for Ximenia. X is for X-ray. X-ray.
Ximenia and X-ray.
Y is for yak. Y is for yacht. Yacht.
Yak and yacht.
Z is for zebra crossing. Z is for zebra. Zebra.
Zebra crossing and zebra.